Formally declare this exhibition and conference open. Thank you.
ProVac West Africa is a leading packaging, processing and plastics and printing event serving the West African sub-region, and is a platform that brings together decision makers and influencers from the public and private sectors, as well as stakeholders to address this fast developing manufacturing sector.
Africa offers you the most exclusive platform for networking, and I hope you take advantage of that today. You meet one new client, new friends, and you exchange cards and will learn from one another.
I commend the leadership of ProVac West Africa for this laudable initiative aimed at providing a unique platform to showcase various innovative products.
Until now, most of us in the printing industry, we had to travel abroad, South Africa, London, Germany, US. These are the places that we were journeying to over the years. But of recent, this group came in and they are trying to at least bridge that gap. So we obviously do not need to be going abroad again to see exhibitions of new innovations in the printing and packaging industry.